Hello, guys. This is Carl Rao, the lending guru. Wanted to take a moment to talk to you about how mortgages and underwriters need to verify your housing payments. We can either do that through the form of an existing mortgage you have, or if you rent, we need to get something called verification of rental history, meaning we want to know if you've been making good rental history payments on time. One of the ways we do that is with if you have a property management company that you pay your rent to, then we would ask them to fill out a form called a verification of rent. If you rent from a private landlord, then in that case, we normally would ask for 12 months council checks or 12 months that show if you make some type of electronic payment like Zelle, Cash App, or any other, or PayPal, any other type of electronic payment means that are popular today, then we want to see 12 months bank statements that show that payment coming out of your bank account. So those are the ways that we verify that type of rental history. And we just want to make sure that you're aware of this so that if you're not already paying electronically, or if you're paying by cash then and planning to purchase a home, then cash is an unverifiable way to verify the income, because most cases a receipt from a private landlord or even a receipt from a mortgage or a rental history company or a property manager or whatever it may not be sufficient for underwriting to have a verification of rental to be satisfactory for the purpose of approving your mortgage. So keep that in mind. And in the future, if you have any questions, make sure you give me a call. I'll leave my information down below. And have a great day. This is the Lending Guru signing off. Thank you.